Hi everybody, my name is Farah Miri. I am wellness advocate with doTERRA, and today I'm going to show you how to open a wholesale account with doTERRA. So basically you will have a link from the person who has introduced you to the oils. If it's me, then it's mydoterra.com/Farah Miri, and you can see my face, and you also can see a little bit of introduction here. So a wholesale account is the best way to get the most powerful and most potent essential oils in the world, the most beautiful, potent, and efficient essential oils. So the best way to go is to open a wholesale account to get the discount. You go to join and save, you read a little bit of this, and then you join doTERRA. I'm going to choose the language, so English Europe. Obviously, I want to ship to Europe, and then it will tell me which country I am in, and I am in the United Kingdom. Then here, obviously, it depends on where you are in the world. You can change all this. Continue. Here, it tells you the difference between wholesale account, or wholesale customer, and a wellness advocate. The difference is that with a wellness advocate account, you'll be able to earn commission and bonuses, and it is the lowest and overall product cost and smartest way to buy. To become a wholesale customer, you just click this. If you choose in the future to become a wellness advocate, you can upgrade. So there is no rush for you to decide, oh, this is for me or not for me. If you just want to use it for yourself and your family, wholesale account or wholesale customer is your option. Then I'll leave it here. As you can see, it's in the blue. And continue. Then here, it's about you and personal information, shipping address and contact. So I'm going to just create any name because I already have an account. So I'm going to just make up this account to just show you how to do it. So you fill in all the information, first name, last name, address, I don't know, verité. And then hoping that this is going to work. I don't know, but we'll see. And then here you change your time zone. The quickest way, if you are in the UK, type D, and it takes you to Dublin, Edinburgh, London. So this is where, because when the emails you're going to get from doTERRA and all the promotions are going to come at the right time for you. Evening, just make up any evening number. And then your email address, again, just fill in your email address and your date of birth, I wish. And then this sponsor ID. So basically the person who has introduced you to doTERRA, make sure you've got my number here. If it's me, 2424894, but it should automatically come up here. Start thinking of a password that you will remember, because this is the password that you're going to use to log in to your account. And then click here after reading the terms and conditions and make sure your shipping address is the same as your contact you have put in here. Then continue, just to make sure everything is correct. Because, yeah, city. Let's see. Abercrombie, I don't know, Aberconway, is it going to work? I have no idea. Yep, that's fine. We'll see. Okay, sometimes you have to juggle a little bit, but it should be straightforward for you because obviously this is a makeup account. And let's see. Yes, it's taking me to the next stage. So here, obviously I don't want this to... Here, you come up to this beautiful page where you can select your enrollment kit. Obviously, there are different ways to start with doTERRA. Now, if you have already had your consultation with the person who has introduced you or with myself, you've already given the different options, like, for example, just a welcome pack and a few oils or an enrollment kit. Usually, I recommend an enrollment kit because it is the smartest way and the cheapest way to start with doTERRA, especially if you don't want to pay the welcome pack. The welcome pack is £24, which opens a wholesale account. So with an enrollment kit, you don't have to pay that £24. So this is the the doTERRA welcome pack, or what is called essential booklet enrollment fee. So for somebody who just want to open a wholesale account, they can just open with £24 and they can add anything they want in their cart, which going to be a discount of 25% off with this. Yeah. Now, if you don't want to spend the £24, which can be already in the kit, which is waived with the enrollment kit, I would recommend you choose an enrollment kit. So they start from the family essential beadlet kit all the way to the biggest kits here. I always recommend the home essential kit because this has got the 10 most popular oils with the petal diffuser. And that way you can use the oil 3 ways, so aromatically, topically, and internally as well. Or the natural solution kit, which also have a variety of other products like the supplements, the skincare, another diffuser, a box where you can put all your oils. It's amazing. The fractionated coconut oil. This is an amazing way to start touching a bit of everything in a mini kind of mini kit with a lot of popular product from doTERRA. So you can touch, as I said, the skincare, the supplement, and everything. So, and what you can do, so as I said, you can choose, either you can put this in your cart as an open wholesale account, and then you can add the oils, or let's say, for example, you want the home essential kit. The other one that I recommend very, very much is the the essential aromatic diffused kit. This one is the emotional aromatherapy kit, and it's an amazing way to look after your emotions and your mental health. They have 6 amazing blend oils. You've got a diffuser with this, and I have a special program for this one as well if you're interested in getting one of these. But if you are here because of me, you are opening up an account, you probably have had tons of information from me before getting to this page. Anyway, so let's say, for example, I want the home essential kit. I'm going to add the home essential kit in my, so you've got the UK plug and you've got the European plug as well. Or maybe this is just a UK plug because it knows that I am in the UK. But if you are in somewhere in Europe where you required the EU plug, then it will tell you there is an EU plug there as well. So let's say I'm going to add the home essential kit in here. This is including the VAT. So the total price is £239. This has got a diffuser and it has a UK plug. And you can see this is already including the wholesale account, including your discount, but also it's an access for a whole year of 25% off. Let's say you want to add the fractionated coconut oil. You can add here, just type in fractionated and it should come up straight away. I say fractionated coconut oil and I can add it here. The other thing you can do is go to this product, view product guide here, and it tells you what's in the other product. So I'm happy with my order, and then so all I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to make sure I use my billing address. It will ship to that. It can also ask you to save your payment if you want to, so you can save that. Let's say so you can remember you. You view your total. And then you can see that you have, oh yes, because hey, the other thing that I want to tell you about, because at this moment, as I'm doing this video, we have a promotional offer. If you do anything above 200 PV, you see this is a total of PV. PV means point value. If it's above 200 PV, which this one is, you get the free promotion of the month. And the promotion of the month is that we can have Deep Blue and a Deep Blue Rub for free. And that's worth about £90. So the beauty about doTERRA, that not only you have the incentive of a huge discount to start with an account, but also you can also have a massive extra discount to save on your oils and to save on your promotion. So massive discount. So it tells me the total is £255. The other thing that is amazing about doTERRA, that you have your shipping back to you. So although it's £4.80, but I have £4.80 in point that is going back into my account, because doTERRA gives you extra help with point that you can accumulate and get free product with that. So I can talk to you about points in another time, but your shipping point are basically, your shipping is basically free because it goes back to your got music coming in the background, goes back to your cart, to your account. So you process here, make sure you've got everything ready, you process, and it takes you to the payment information where you put your card and everything. So obviously I'm not going to go to there, but once you once you fill in this information, you get an email saying, thank you very much for your order. You will get an email to tell you about your ID number, because when you log in, you need to have an ID number and your password that you have logged in with. So, and you will tell you it takes about 3 to 5 days to arrive. So they welcome you with an amazing email saying here's your order and here's your contact details to log in. So once you have everything sent to you, the next thing you want to do is to go to mydoterra.com, and this is where, well, obviously I've got this is not this is my this is my, I'm not logged off, so I'm gonna log off first. My doTERRA, I'm gonna log off, log out. Right, so you go to mydoterra.com and you enter your ID that is going to be sent to you by email by doTERRA. So mine is 2424894. Then you put your password that you have logged in with, and then you're in. It takes you straight to your shop tab where you can see your previous order and all the things that we have on offer at the moment. So I would also encourage you to look at this beautiful page here, because it tells you all the offer that we have at the moment. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any, obviously, look at all the essential oils, the special offer. You have all the information that you need, and you will see that this is your website, because you can see, or your account, because you can see your name here and your ID number. Okay, so you can have a look at all the essential oils, educate yourself in this page, personal care, your Healing Hands, which is a charity that we support very much. So please, have time to add this to your order. It goes straight to our Healing Hand Foundation. All the kits are here as well, so you can see all the kits. And then the wellness product as well. So you can see them here with the children's supplement, the cellular supplement, everything, the women's supplement. So it's an amazing way to look at the other product that we have in doTERRA. I wish you a fantastic evening, and if you have any question, do let me know. All right, you take care. Bye.